Figured we'd give it another try. Today's ocean is, as you can see, a little bit more choppy. It's a little bit less waves, but there's a lot of wind, so it's a good wind chop. We're getting tossed all over the place, but that won't stop us. We're gonna still catch some fish. So stay with us and see if we do any good. What were you gonna say?
You gotta do the fish dance, Brian, so we'll make sure we catch something.
Okay, I'll do it, but you gotta show me how.
Okay, I'll say how right after you do it.
So far, all the talk we had this morning about, I wonder how long it's gonna take. Once we start fishing, we're gonna start a timer to how to get our limits. We've been trolling for, I don't know how long.
Half an hour?
Half hour with nothing so far. Been driving right over the top of a bunch of fish. What's up, sunfish? Don't snag him on accident.
What is it?
It's a sunfish. He's just out sunning himself. Okay. Well, I just put a cut plug herring on.
Towards the wind, typically die down.
Oh, jeez. It's so unnerving watching these waves catch us. Bite!
Hey, fish on! Oh, got fish. You got him?
I don't know. I don't feel him pulling, but I haven't felt him pull again.
And there's a spot there with a bite.
How far out were you? Everybody out there, this is probably not going to be much of a video if I even make one. I'll show you the fish. We caught one fish on the way back. The waves are just kind of choppy and not very enjoyable. That's what it looks like. Weird. Pretty heavy.
That's pretty
Too heavy.
fall out.
To get rid of him. How heavy is it? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, body slam the subscribe button for me. Set the hook on that like button. Make sure you watch all of my videos. I gotta keep doing this. It's super fun. The only way I can is if I get a bunch of people to watch. So go for it.